Good morning, you're tuned into COVID-19 Bulletin on The Wire. Today is the 3rd of July. India recorded highest single-day spike in the number of cases today. Just under 22,000 cases were reported in the last 24 hours. With this, more than 6.2 lakh people have been infected by the virus and over 18,000 people have succumbed to it. More than 3.7 lakh people have recovered. Delhi recorded 2,400 new coronavirus cases, taking the total tally to over 89,000. The death toll in the capital has risen to 2,800. Assam reported a total of 500 new cases yesterday, pushing the total number of infections in the state to over 8,900. A senior member of the Maharashtra government's COVID-19 task force has tested positive. He had been admitted to the hospital last week. On the 13th of April, a task force of 9 senior doctors was formed in view of the increasing number of cases and deaths in Maharashtra. Delhi's Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal announced in an online media briefing that Delhi's first plasma bank is now operational. The Chief Minister issued 2 phone numbers which people can contact for the donation of plasma to save the lives of COVID 19 patients. He said that recovered patients can donate plasma 14 days after recovery. The government has set up the plasma bank at the state-run Institute of Liver and Biliary Sciences. The municipal corporation of 3 areas in the outskirts of Mumbai have jointly decided on a complete lockdown for the next 10 days in view of rising coronavirus cases. Essential services and medical emergencies are exempted from the lockdown. 23 ITBP Jawans tested positive for COVID 19 in Himachal Pradesh on Thursday, pushing the state's total tally to over 1,000. Of the 23 ITBP Jawans, 17 were found positive in Kinnaur district and 6 in Shimla. The 17 Jawans who have tested positive had come to Kinnaur in an Indo-Tibetan border police vehicle from Jammu. All the ITBP Jawans were asked to return to their battalions as their leaves had been cancelled after the Indo-China border standoff in the Galwan Valley in Ladakh on the 15th of June. According to a report published in the Indian Express, an order signed by the Bengaluru Urban Deputy Commissioner will convert 10 different spots in Bengaluru into burial grounds. With the number of deaths due to coronavirus reaching 100 in Bengaluru, the Karnataka government has decided to turn 35 acres of land in different locations in the city into public burial grounds. Quoted in the newspaper report, the Bangalore mayor has said that the government has decided to do this, keeping in mind that each citizen deserves a burial in a respective manner. According to a report published in The Hindu, the last time the government of India provided information on disease outbreaks that were not COVID 19 was for the week ended March 22nd. The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare's Integrated Disease Surveillance Program is supposed to issue weekly reports on disease outbreaks in various parts of the country. But this year, the IDSP has not published any report beyond March 22nd. Because of this, it is unclear how many other diseases are being caused in the country. The United States has reported yet another record daily number of new coronavirus infections. Over 50,000 cases were reported in the country in the last 24 hours. The country is experiencing a surge of new cases, especially in the south and the west. Brazil's COVID 19 fatalities have crossed the 60,000 mark. The total number of confirmed cases in the country rose by 46,000 to reach 14 lakh. Brazil is the second worst hit country in the world after the United States. Thank you so much for tuning in. Subscribe to The Wire's YouTube channel and hit that notification bell button for more updates from us. We will see you tomorrow. Until then, stay safe.